Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mayanka, consultant nephrologist at Healing Hospital. Today I'm going to talk about diabetic kidney disease. Diabetes बहुत ही common है Indian population में and it is one of the leading causes of chronic kidney disease. Patients who have diabetes, they can have multiple complications, including stroke, heart attack. They can have blindness related to diabetes, and unfortunately, kidney disease is also one of the frequently seen complication in patients with diabetes. But if you're able to control your blood sugar very well and live a healthy lifestyle, then it is possible to prevent all these complications. अगर हम बात करें डायबिटिक किडनी डिजीज के बारे में, पीपल ऑफन आस्क कि इसके क्या सिम्टम्स होते हैं, हमें कब चेक कराना चाहिए डायबिटिक किडनी डिजीज के लिए। जो डायबिटिक किडनी डिजीज है इसके अनफॉर्चुनेटली कोई सिम्टम्स नहीं होते अनलेस यू लूज अबाउट 75% ऑफ योर किडनी फंक्शन। और जब ऐसा हो जाता है ऑलरेडी, देर इज नॉट अ लॉट दैट यू कैन डू टू प्रिवेंट और प्रिवेंट दिस किडनी डिजीज फ्रॉम हैपनिंग। सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप इसको लिए जल्दी टेस्ट कराएं। रूटीनली जिन पेशेंट्स को टाइप 1 डायबिटीज होता है, typically we see once we diagnose type 1 diabetes within 5 years, they could develop diabetic kidney disease, so they should start getting screened for this. And for type 2 diabetes, because at times क्या होता है कि ये शुरू में diagnose नहीं हो पाती और काफ़ी साल it goes undiagnosed. So the moment you're diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, you should get yourself checked to see if you have diabetic kidney disease. सो हाउ डू वी चेक फॉर इट? बहुत ही सिंपल टेस्ट होते हैं। एक ब्लड टेस्ट होता है जिसके अंदर हम चेक करते हैं क्रिएटिनिन, व्हिच गिव्स अस एन एस्टिमेशन ऑफ हाउ मच योर किडनी इज फंक्शनिंग, हाउ गुड इज इट फिल्टरिंग द ब्लड। And the other test is a simple urine test in which we look for any protein in the urine. In patients who have diabetic kidney disease, we often see that they have protein leak in the urine. और जितना ज़्यादा प्रोटीन लीक होता है उतनी ही जल्दी किडनी डिजीज प्रोग्रेस करता है। सो इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट टू क्वांटिफाई द प्रोटीन लीक ताकि हम उसके अकॉर्डिंग उतने ही अग्रेसिवली इसको ट्रीट करते हैं एंड प्रिवेंट करते हैं। what other tests can you do for it? Kidney biopsy भी हो सकती है, but routinely we don't do this for diabetic kidney disease. In patients who have diabetes, अगर हमें लग रहा है कि उनका kidney disease is related to something else other than diabetes, in that case only we go for renal biopsy. If you're suffering from diabetes, सो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि आपको साल में कम से कम एक बार ये दोनों टेस्ट ज़रूर करवाने चाहिए whenever you're going to see your doctor, so that it can be diagnosed early on. Next thing is क्या क्या रिस्क फैक्टर होते हैं डायबिटिक किडनी डिजीज के लिए? So the most important risk factor is having hypertension, and especially hypertension which is not treated very well. पेशेंट्स जिनको डायबिटीज़ होता है उन्हें हाई ब्लड प्रेशर भी होता है। You should get yourself checked routinely. आपका ब्लड प्रेशर आइडियली 130/80 mmHg से कम होना चाहिए। अगर आपका ब्लड प्रेशर इस गोल से ज़्यादा चल रहा है, then talk to your doctor so that they can control the blood pressure adequately. Other risk factors for this is, if you're a smoker. If you're a smoker and you're a diabetic and you're an hypertensive, you fall, in a category which is at very high risk for having stroke, heart attack, and kidney problems. Please आप अपनी smoking quit करें. It's not good for your health. Other risk factors, like family history, and that could also attribute to the prevalence of diabetic kidney disease. What can we do to prevent it and treat it? As I mentioned, first and foremost is achieving adequate blood sugar control level. ब्लड शुगर कंट्रोल लेवल कितना होना चाहिए? So, if you look at the average 3-month blood sugar readings, then I would say your A1C level should be less than 7. At times, patients, they develop some side effects if we lower the blood sugar rapidly, or somebody is elderly and you cannot achieve that level. Then I would say you should at least try to bring it below 8 for these patients. But ideally, A1C level should be less than 7. And you should routinely monitor your blood sugar at home, and so that if it is running at a higher side, your doctor can work with you to change your medications to achieve adequate glycemic control. That is the first and foremost thing. The other thing being adequately controlling high blood pressure, and also consuming low salt in your diet. सो कंज्यूमिंग हाई अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्ट इन द डाइट, जो कि इंडियन खाने में बहुत कॉमनली हमारे टेबल पे अचार पड़ा होता है, चटनी पड़ी होती है, पापड़ होता है. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स दे हैव वेरी हाई अमाउंट ऑफ सोडियम इन देम, and all the processed food, anything that comes in a packet that has a lot of salt in it. So try to avoid these foods, and try to reduce the sodium intake in your diet. अगर आप सोडियम कम कंज्यूम करेंगे, दैट वुड हेल्प कंट्रोल योर ब्लड प्रेशर. ऑल्सो दैट डजंट पुट एनी एक्स्ट्रा स्ट्रेस ऑन योर किडनी. सो अगर आपको डायबिटिक किडनी डिजीज ऑलरेडी हो गया है, you can reduce the amount of protein leak if you're able to reduce the salt intake. Other things that you can do to prevent this or treat this is use of medications. So, the most commonly used medication is ACE inhibitor or ARB. So, a lot of studies have shown that जिन patients को diabetic kidney disease है, अगर हम उन्हें ये medications early on शुरू कर दें, they help to prevent, they help to prevent your kidney disease from progressing. So, also these medications help to control your blood pressure. So, in case, you have diabetic kidney disease, you should talk to your doctor about it, that, if you will benefit from this medication. The other medication, which we have started using more so recently, is SGLT2 inhibitors. So, these medications, they work by increasing the glucose in the urine. सो बाय दैट मैकेनिज्म ये आपके ब्लड के अंदर ग्लूकोज कम करती है. और बहुत सारी स्टडीज ये रिसेंटली जो पब्लिश हुई है, दे हैव शोन दैट दिस क्लास ऑफ मेडिकेशन SGLT2 inhibitors, they also help to prevent incidents of heart attack and stroke. So they have multiple benefits. So if you have diabetic kidney disease, or you have some protein leak in the urine, and your diabetes is not very well controlled, I think you are a candidate for this. So you should talk to your healthcare provider about this. So other than this, it's very important to have a healthy lifestyle. आप अपने दिन में से थोड़ा सा समय निकाल कर try to exercise at least for half an hour, and that would go a long way in controlling your blood sugar, in controlling your blood pressure, and also preventing kidney disease from happening. So just to conclude, I would like to say कि जिन लोगों को डायबिटीज होती है, of course they have a lot to juggle with. Most of these patients are on multiple medications, and it is very tough for them to monitor their blood sugar every day, and monitor their diet. But I would like to say that if you invest in your health, you take your medications, you routinely monitor your blood sugar level, and you're able to control your diabetes very well, you can prevent a lot of complications from happening, and that would help you live a very healthy lifestyle and a very healthy life. So if you have any further questions, feel free to contact me on the link provided below. Thank you for watching this video. Take care.